Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Fact 360. There are many cars which are scheduled to be launched in 2020 and 2021. Today we are going to present to you the list of cars which are expected to be out in the market in the second half of 2020 and towards the mid of 2021. We did a lot of research and we have collected information from a lot of reliable sources. These cars are in the SUV category and under the budget of 20 lakhs. So let's take a look. Do you remember there was a time when people used to be so crazy about gypsies? Yes, the Maruti Suzuki Gypsy. All the owners were so proud of owning it for its tough and stylish look. Suzuki Jimny is the second generation of Suzuki Gypsy. Maruti is going to launch Suzuki Jimny in India in 2021. It's a little shorter than the other SUVs, so it would fall under the compact SUV category. And since the length is a little small, it may not be loved by the SUV lovers. But the compact size surely fits an off-roader. The current design of the car has 2 doors and 4 seats, and the rear seats have very less legroom. In this way, it may not be well accepted in India. So the auto enthusiasts are expecting a design change where it comes with 4 doors or rather 5 doors and 5 seats. The price range of this car is expected to be less than 10 lakhs. The visuals of Suzuki Jimny from Auto Expo 2020 looks very promising. People like you and me are so excited to see the car in the market. And I hope the wait is not too long from now. The next car in our list is Tata Gravitas. You might have seen a lot of spy visuals of Tata testing Gravitas in multiple terrains. Both Tata Nexon and Tata Harrier are great success in the market, and these 2 cars completely changed the perception of people for Tata passenger cars. Both Nexon and Harrier have superb road presence. They are strongly built. They have lots of features both on the convenience and on the safety aspect. When Harrier is extended to 7 seats, that becomes the Gravitas. Gravitas is scheduled to be launched in India by Diwali. Though Gravitas and Harrier are lookalikes, Tata would have done some changes in the design elements to distinguish between Harrier and Gravitas. With the available information, Tata Gravitas comes with multiple drive modes, Eco, City and Sports. And it also has 3 terrain mode responses: wet, wild and normal. The price range of Gravitas is expected to be in the range of 15 to 23 lakhs. If you're looking for a 7-seater and you're a great lover of Tata cars, you should wait for Gravitas. It's just a few months away. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel FAT360. I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Bye-bye.